fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it. Then after that, try to search for apps list or apps on preference or apps and notification. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on see your apps. After doing that, you have to scroll down and tap on Amino app. Now tap on first stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on notifications, make sure this is turned on. Go back and tap on permissions and make sure these are all allowed. So go back, then you tap on storage and cache and make sure you tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this is turned on like this. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it and try to search for this app. So when you find this app, what you have to do is to tap over here to get the latest update of the app. So after updating this app, what you have to do is to restart your device. So tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK to get your device to restart or reboot. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.